Hi guys, I'm going to show you you can download games on your Windows 10 system, and also games is totally free and you don't need to pay for it. It's an open source program which is continuously being worked on and improved on. You're really gonna love it. Let me show you how to download it. Okay, so you're gonna click here, then install it. Okay, it's downloading. Now let's take a look at the size. If you look at it, it's only 238 MB and it's downloading very fast depending on your speed of your internet. Okay, so it's done installing. Let's open it up. Okay, install for all users, install for only me recommended. Okay. Then you can see this, then now click yes to set up. English, yes. Oh, nice design. Then click install. Okay, so it's done installing. Right now we're going to just finish, and that's it. So let's open it up. Okay, now we come to our start menu. Click on it. We want to look for it. Okay, so this is there is on top here, recently added. So click on it. Let's drag it out. Yep, drag it out. So this is right here. Click on it. So we wait for it to open. Let's check out the interface. So let me tell you about Games. Games is a free and open source raster graphics editor used for image manipulation and image editing, free form drawing, transcoding between different image files formats, and more specialized. That game is released under GPL 3.0 or later license and is available for Linux, Mac, and Microsoft Windows. See, it was really available for major OS that you're going to use on your system. Games is an acronym for GNU, Image Manipulation Program. It is a freely distributed program for such tasks as photo retouching, image composition, and image authoring.
Hey, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do. What are you waiting for? Just click the red button underneath the video.
Basically, I like the design. I mean, it has a nice design, even starting from the beginning and even now opening the app up, I mean setting it up. Really look nice. So we can see it's a GNU, okay, it says Image Manipulation Program. So the version of games that we have is 2.10. Let me check here, yeah, 2.10.28. So that's the version of games we have. And this is it. Wow, looks nice. So that's how you can install games on your system. Next thing we're going to learn how to use it and how it works. Super. Thanks for watching. Bye. Like and subscribe.